let's make this quick. Yeah, let's keep this under 30 seconds, okay? Hi. Welcome back to the weekly update. It's yours truly, Mr. Moron. What's up, everybody? A bunch of stuff happened. We're building a lot of bikes, the new shipments in. That's very cool. Oh yeah, made a video about DiGiorno. Hey man, is this delivery or DiGiorno?
Do they even know?
No one knows! And they commented, that was pretty dope. I thought we were gonna go viral there for a second, but we didn't. But, you know, DiGiorno took notice, so at least somebody's watching. DiGiorno Pies, what's up? Maybe make a New Haven style pizza. Little homage to the your #1 fan, DiGiorno. DiGiorno! Is this joke done? Is this the last time I'm gonna do this joke? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna do this joke for the rest of my life. I don't give a shit. There's gonna be some changes coming up. So in the coming weeks, we're gonna be doing some cool tutorials and stuff because there needs to be. There's gotta be some videos for you to watch about how to learn how to do stuff. Instructionals, tutorials. You love them. We love them. Let's love them together. Yeah, so be on the lookout for that. We're gonna do tutorials. The first one's gonna be with Taryn, I think. Or maybe all of them are gonna be with Taryn. Or maybe I shouldn't tell you that. People are going to be in videos and you're going to watch them. You're going to watch those people. Stay tuned for that stuff. Tutorials are coming. They're going to explain stuff that needs explaining. Lucy, you got some explaining to do. Yeah, explain stuff. Learn how to do things. Spark is all about you being self-sufficient. Unless you don't want to be, then you can just make us do it. But, you know, give people the power. Power! All right, cool. That's all I got this week. Ride a bike, wear a helmet, stay safe. Hopefully World War III doesn't break out. I hope to God. Because then who's going to make our batteries? Hope you're having a good Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you're having a good Sunday. Have a good Sunday. Bye.